What if the biggest disruption to the housing market wasn't a real estate giant, but Tesla? Elon Musk, a billionaire who could live anywhere, made headlines by downsizing to a tiny home. But the real shocker? He might launch a $7,000 Tesla tiny house, making sustainable high-tech living more affordable than ever. Could this be a glimpse into the future of housing? Or is it just another bold Musk experiment? The tiny house Musk owns is actually less than 400 square feet and is located in Starbase, Texas. He purchased it in 2021. What's special about it is that it was built by Boxable, a company specializing in advanced prefab homes, and the entire installation process took just 1 hour. This house was one of the company's first 3 prototypes, and since Musk started using it, Boxable has received nearly 200,000 orders, potentially generating nearly $2 billion in revenue. Clearly, the unintended endorsement from Elon Musk has turned Boxable into a phenomenon. Without him, we might never have even heard of the name. But let's get back to Musk's casita, what truly sets it apart. The entire structure of this house is fully manufactured in a factory, including the walls, ceiling, and basic interior, before being transported to the site and assembled. And here's the surprising part. Elon Musk bought this tiny house for just $40,000. At first glance, we also thought casita was just a typical prefab home with plain drywall walls. But after digging deeper, we had to change our minds. Could this be the future of housing? How could it be built for just $7,000 and even around $500 for installation cost when Elon Musk invested in it? If you think Elon Musk's casita is just a simple prefab house, you're mistaken. There are no flimsy drywall walls or fragile materials. Casita is built with advanced technology and ultra-durable materials, including steel, concrete, insulated foam, and multi-layered panels. These components are compressed under 250,000 pounds of pressure, creating a solid structure ready to withstand hurricanes, floods, and snow. Harsh weather conditions that even many traditional homes struggle with. If it's good enough for Elon Musk, then it's certainly no ordinary house, as Musk always focuses on long-lasting and sustainable products. Small, but limitless. That's the philosophy of casita. Thanks to its high mobility, this house can be transported anywhere with just a flatbed truck. When in transit, casita folds down to 5.8 meters by 2.6 meters by 3.8 meters, optimizing space and reducing costs. Weighing 5,900 kilograms, the entire installation process takes only about an hour, so fast that you could order it in the morning and move in by the afternoon. And the most incredible part? For just $40,000, you get nearly 400 square feet of living space, featuring 4 separate rooms and a ceiling height of 9 feet 6 inches. Not only that, but Boxable's smart design allows multiple casitas to be connected and stacked, creating larger homes or even 2- or 3-story buildings. You might think that when Elon Musk and Tesla launched a $7,000 tiny house, it would be significantly smaller than the $40,000 tiny house Musk once owned. But we see things differently. Instead of reducing space, we believe the Tesla tiny house should be minimalist on the inside, optimized in design, leveraging smart technology, and enhancing the living experience without sacrificing square footage. So what's inside Elon Musk's casita? Let's first talk about Musk's $40,000 home to get a clearer comparison with a $7,000 house. You might assume that a 400 square foot tiny home would feel cramped, but Musk's casita is designed with incredible efficiency, maximizing every inch of space. And the most surprising part? It doesn't feel small at all. It's actually incredibly comfortable and convenient. The living room is the largest area in the casita, and it's no coincidence that Musk prioritizes this space. As the mastermind behind Tesla and SpaceX, he has transformed this area into a mobile office, allowing him to oversee work seamlessly from home. Behind the living room, there's a large bed strategically placed with a partial dividing wall, not only separating the sleeping space but also incorporating built-in storage to optimize the area. But here's the real surprise. Musk's casita actually has 3 bedrooms. Originally, there were only 2, but he converted the garage into a 3rd bedroom. In various videos showcasing the casita, we've noticed that Musk uses smart folding beds that can be pulled down for sleeping and tucked away when not in use, an ingenious way to maximize space. Wondering if this tiny home has a functional kitchen? At first, we also thought it would be impossible due to space constraints, especially since a kitchen requires a complex setup. However, we were genuinely amazed to learn that Musk's home is fully equipped with everything a kitchen needs, including a sink, refrigerator, dishwasher, oven, and storage cabinets, all arranged in a compact yet highly efficient manner. Thanks to its intelligent design, this space is even more practical than many small apartments. Additionally, a small dining table is integrated with the kitchen counter, saving space while maintaining convenience. Naturally, the casita also features an exhaust system to keep the air fresh and clean. At first, we doubted whether the casa could fit a standard bathroom, but once again, we were wrong. A sink, mirror, toilet, and a spacious shower cabin all are included. Notably, the sliding door not only saves space, but also adds a modern, sophisticated touch to the area. Every inch of the casita is optimized, creating a cozy and comfortable atmosphere without feeling cramped. If Elon Musk's $40,000 tiny house is nearly fully equipped with smart design and modern amenities, what can we expect from a house priced at just $7,000? Despite the significantly lower cost, a well-designed tiny home can still meet all basic living needs by maximizing space efficiency. The key factor remains the optimal arrangement of furniture and interior design. The living area would be combined with the sleeping space, meaning a foldable bed that transforms into a sofa during the day and expands into a bed at night. This dual-purpose setup helps save space while maintaining functionality. As for the kitchen, due to budget and space constraints, this home would feature only the essentials: a small electric stove, a sink, and a mini fridge. Unlike Elon Musk's casita, which includes an oven and dishwasher, the $7,000 home might only have a portable induction cooktop and a few wall-mount shelves for storage. A foldable dining table or a wall-integrated option would provide a dining space when needed while saving room when not in use. The bathroom in this home would be simple, including a toilet, a small sink, and a shower. To keep costs low, the shower area might have a curtain instead of a modern glass enclosure or cabin. However, with smart layout choices, it can still offer a comfortable and functional experience. Given the limited space, smart storage solutions like wall-mounted shelves, built-in cabinets, and underbed storage would be crucial. Drawers under seating, foldable shelves, and multi-purpose furniture would maximize usability without cluttering the space. To enhance natural lighting and ventilation, large windows would be incorporated, making the space feel more open and airy. While it might lack an advanced ventilation system like Musk's casa, simple exhaust fans or large windows could still ensure fresh airflow. Although it wouldn't match the luxury and amenities of a $40,000 tiny home, a well-designed $7,000 tiny house could still provide a comfortable and efficient living space. By embracing smart interior arrangements and maximizing available resources, this affordable home could serve as a cost-effective, minimalist, and sustainable housing option. If launched, Elon Musk's $7,000 tiny house wouldn't just be a tiny home. It would be a symbol of energy efficiency. The entire interior could be equipped with energy-saving LED lighting and smart devices, significantly reducing living expenses. Most importantly, Musk could achieve this ultra-affordable price by leveraging Tesla's available resources, specifically its renewable energy technology. First, Tesla can play a crucial role in providing energy for a tiny house. The Tesla Powerwall system, a type of energy storage battery, can be optimized into a more compact version to help the house operate independently without needing to connect to the electrical grid. Additionally, Tesla's solar roof can be integrated to generate clean electricity, making the tiny house completely energy self-sufficient, ideal for remote areas, or those who prefer a minimalist, nature-friendly lifestyle. Moreover, construction materials can be sourced from both Tesla and SpaceX. The 30X stainless steel, the material used to build the Cybertruck, could be a perfect choice for the tiny house's frame and exterior due to its high durability, corrosion resistance, and strength. Insulation technology from the Dragon spacecraft could also be applied to help maintain a stable indoor temperature, reducing energy consumption for heating or cooling. Additionally, the Boring Company could provide low-cost building materials. The company has experimented with recycling rubble from tunnel excavation to produce construction bricks, which can be used for house foundations or weather-resistant walls. With this technology, tiny houses could become more durable without significantly increasing costs. Meanwhile, Tesla Gigafactory's production process could help reduce costs substantially by implementing automation and mass production. Using Optimus robots for cutting, welding, and assembly, would accelerate production speed and optimize expenses, making tiny houses more accessible to a wider audience. From a technology perspective, tiny houses could be equipped with high-speed internet from Starlink, allowing users to stay connected anywhere. Additionally, smart systems like water recycling and air filtration from SpaceX could be miniaturized to turn tiny houses into self-sustaining living spaces. If there's one thing Elon Musk does better than anyone else, it's breaking norms. From owning luxurious mansions, Musk made a surprising decision in 2020 to sell nearly all of his assets, including all his private homes. The reason? He wanted to embrace minimalism and live in a small house close to his workplace. This is a bold change. While most people pay between $1,700 and $2,200 per month for rent, or even more in major cities like New York, San Francisco, or Los Angeles, Musk chose to own a tiny house at an unbelievably low price, far less than a year's rent in these expensive urban areas. So, why is the tiny house trend growing? Boxable isn't just building houses, it's redefining the construction industry with a completely new approach. The foldable design allows the casita to be easily transported on highways, eliminating cost and legal barriers associated with relocating homes. This enables mass production in a factory, followed by quick and cost-efficient delivery anywhere. And Boxable's ambitions don't stop there. The company aims to create a housing production process similar to an automotive assembly line. Boxable claims it could potentially manufacture one house per minute. The fact that Musk's casita can be fully set up in just an hour has sparked curiosity. After all, it's easier to see why Elon Musk chose to live in a tiny house. As mentioned, he needed a temporary, convenient living space close to his company. However, Musk's involvement could go beyond just living in one. He might invest in this project and even create Tesla tiny houses priced at just $7,000, with installation costs as low as $566. A Tesla Boxable collaboration is entirely possible. Musk once provided free promotion for Boxable, helping the company gain widespread recognition. He may have seen that Boxable's mission aligns closely with his own. If Tesla is revolutionizing transportation with sustainable electric vehicles, then Boxable is aiming to create energy-efficient, low-cost homes that can be built much faster than traditional methods. With his strong commitment to fighting climate change, Musk has every reason to support this model. But the most intriguing reason for Musk's investment in tiny houses is his own ambition. Have you ever wondered if he bought this tiny house as an experiment for something much bigger, perhaps for building homes on another planet? Musk has never abandoned his dream of colonizing Mars. As long as SpaceX exists, this mission will continue. And to make that dream a reality, humans or even Tesla Optimus robots will need to construct homes on Mars, homes that are nothing like the ones we have on Earth. On the red planet, everything must be designed to maximize energy efficiency, minimize material usage, and accelerate assembly speed. This process would resemble an advanced production line, utilizing cutting-edge technology to establish settlements quickly and efficiently. It requires lightweight materials that are easy to transport and install, similar to Boxable's design principles. So, it's entirely possible that Musk is using this house as a prototype for his long-term vision. Transporting a tiny house to Mars wouldn't be the real challenge. The only question is when SpaceX will succeed with Starship. On a harsh planet like Mars, the sustainability of modular housing is also a crucial factor. More than anyone, Musk understands that the future of humanity depends on optimizing resources. The casita house he chose is made from eco-friendly materials, aligning perfectly with his philosophy of sustainable development. Ultimately, this tiny house is a clear reflection of Elon Musk's minimalist lifestyle. Despite his immense wealth, he doesn't indulge in luxury yachts or extravagant mansions. Instead, he dedicates his resources to projects with cosmic significance. His minimalist philosophy, focusing on core values, is fully embodied in this housing choice. And who knows, this might not just be Musk's home on Earth, but also a model for the future of humanity on Mars. With a total cost of just around $7,566, Elon Musk's tiny house could open up homeownership opportunities for millions of people, especially low-income individuals, students, or those looking to avoid large mortgage debts. As real estate prices continue to soar, an ultra-affordable housing model could disrupt the market, offering more options for those who don't want to be tied down by long-term loans. If this model succeeds, they could shake up the traditional real estate system, where home prices are inflated by speculation and high construction costs. A wave of sustainable, low-cost housing communities could emerge, potentially creating Musk-style living spaces where people are no longer dependent on big cities for a good quality of life. In an increasingly competitive EV market, Tesla's expansion into affordable tiny houses could be a game-changing strategy, allowing the company to not only maintain its leadership, but also tap into an entirely new industry. Tesla already possesses the technology, manufacturing capabilities, and materials to build a tiny house for just $7,000, something very few companies can achieve. First, Tesla could integrate its Powerwall battery and solar roof system, enabling these tiny homes to be completely self-sufficient in energy, eliminating electricity costs and giving users the freedom to live anywhere. Additionally, the company could utilize the same stainless steel used in the Cybertruck, making tiny houses more weather-resistant without increasing production costs. Moreover, Tesla's advantage lies in its gigafactories, where large-scale automated production can significantly lower costs, something competitors would struggle to match. Beyond that, integrating Starlink into tiny houses would create a living space with high-speed internet connectivity, making this model perfect for digital nomads or remote workers. This is especially crucial in the post-COVID era, where remote work has become a mainstream trend. If Tesla successfully commercializes affordable tiny houses, it would not only lead the smart, sustainable housing market, but also build a complete ecosystem where Tesla EVs seamlessly integrate with tiny houses as modern mobile homes. This would give Tesla a significant edge, not just in the EV industry, but also in the housing and clean energy markets. While other EV companies struggle with profitability and production costs, Tesla could pioneer a multi-billion-dollar business that helps it maintain its dominance for years to come. A Tesla tiny house for just $7,000 could redefine homeownership, offering a smarter, more sustainable way to live. But is the world ready for such a radical shift? Would you trade traditional housing for a minimalist, tech-powered home? Share your thoughts. Could you see yourself living in a Tesla tiny house?